Imagine a lake so hot that it doesn't just simmer, it roars. Deep in the heart of the Caribbean island of Dominica lies a body of water that defies the tropical paradise stereotype. It's not for swimming, it's a giant, natural cauldron. But how does a lake stay at a permanent rolling boil without a stove underneath?
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Underneath. According to the Smithsonian Institution's Global Volcanism program, this isn't actually a typical lake. It's a flooded fumarole. Think of it as a hole in the Earth's crust that lets out volcanic gases. Magma deep underground heats the surrounding rocks, which then heat the groundwater. When that water hits the surface, it's a scalding 190 degrees Fahrenheit. That's nearly boiling point at the edges, and even hotter in the center. Discovered in 1870 by two Englishmen, this lake is the second largest of its kind in the world. Reaching it is a grueling 4-hour hike through the Valley of Desolation. The air here smells like rotten eggs. That's the hydrogen sulfide talking. Scientists from Dominica's Forestry division monitor this site closely. Because the water level can actually drop and disappear if the pressure changes, only to come roaring back later. It's a delicate physical balance. If there's too much rain, the lake cools down. If the vents get blocked, pressure builds up, which could lead to a phreatic eruption, basically a giant steam explosion. It's a living, breathing geological engine that has stayed active for centuries, fueled by the restless tectonic activity of the Lesser Antilles volcanic arc. Nature's stove is always on in Dominica, proving that our planet is still very much alive under our feet. But here's a thought. If you could harness all that geothermal energy, would you build a power plant there or keep it as a wild, untouched wonder? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay curious.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.